coding. So today we are going to learn how to create a game in the Applab and a study timer also. For that I have made map and I'm just going to tell you how to do that. Okay. First I went to design. Okay. Here I have changed it background color and increased it text size, and I have given the ID, name it as play button, and here we will put it as play. Okay, and here we have study button we have put on here, and here as study, and then here we have I've increased the font size also, and here I have increased the both sides also. This is as 180 and this is as 170. This is at 180 and this is as 170. So this is the design for the main screen only. Now this is the play screen. Here we have just three things: score, a blank label, and a button. I have decreased it. So I have set this text just as score and score label. ID is its score level and the text is score, and this has blank label. Here the score will come. Okay, and here the button cue. Whenever user will click on this button, so the points will increase, but the user have to click it in 2 to 3 seconds, or the points will decrease if he took more time. Okay, so here we will go to code after that, and this is the main screen. So first we need to set our screen to main screen. Okay, so we want that first the main screen would come, and then when the user clicks on this play button, you can see here this is play button written X, Y, and below that play button. When the user clicks on that, we will set the screen to this play screen. Okay, it will switch the screen to this, and then we need to define a variable here. For that variable X. Okay, so to set the points, it will store the value of the points, and then now we will do it for the button cube. When this button cube will be clicked, we have to set its property. We'll get that set property here. Okay, here's the set property block in the UI controls, and then you will change its ID to button 1, means that button cube. This is the button cube. Okay, and we need to change it this color of the background color of this button. Okay, not the screen background color. And then we need a RGB block here. Okay, here we had took a RGB block. Here something. Okay, here that was the button cube background color. We have set it to this, and this random it has 255 shades. Okay, RGB means red, green, and blue. You will get this block here. Okay, so total 255 shades here. So from 0 to 255 of red. This is for red. This is for green. We just need for red and green, and here we have we need to set its position X and Y from random number 40 to 280, and this is 40 to 400. And then we have, when this button cube is clicked, we want that this points would increase. Okay, means that this variable x is equals to x plus 1. It would increase, the points would increase. Okay, when we click on it. Now we need a time loop. We would get it from the control. Here we have the time loop. Okay, this is that block only. It is a, now when in 3000, these are milliseconds. 3000 millisecond means 3 seconds, and 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. Okay, so here you can see that this is the set number in the blank label. Okay, so it is the blank label at 211x and y49. and this is the id blank label. So when this blank label, we have to set that whatever is what the value is storing, the variable x, so we typed here x, that would show in this blank label. And then we took a time loop here, means that whenever it would take more than 3 seconds, 3000 milliseconds, the points would decrease -1, x -1. And this also we need to set this number to blank label, this x. Okay, so this is the coding for our play screen. Let us run and check. This is play here. See, this has increased now 2 seconds, 3 seconds. See, points are increasing. See, now I will stop now. See, they are decreasing now after each 3 seconds. Okay, see, now 1, now it will become 0. Now I have done it to 1. Okay, so like this we have to do it. So now we are going to do for our study screen. Okay, so here we at the top we need a study timer, and here we go to design. Here we have a big label for that. We put it as study timer blank label, and we have 3 buttons: start, stop and reset. Okay, so for that, first we need to set our screen to the study screen. When this study button is clicked, okay, and then we need to create a variable. So here I created variable r is equals to 0, and then we need a on event button, on event block. It is this one. Okay, when this will happen, so this, so we have to set screen and variable to this. So again we need a on event. Then when this play screen, when this in the study screen, when this start button is clicked, we need a time loop for 1000. Okay, that 1000 milliseconds, it means that 1 second. If the 1 second will happen, this r is equals to +1. Okay, then we have to set this value into the study timer blank label, and we have to change the text color also of it. Okay, and then here we have for the stop button also. When the stop button is clicked, we have to stop everything. We have to stop the time. Okay, and when this reset button is clicked, we need that, we will again set that this to 0. Okay, and we have to set this into the study timer blank label. So here I will study it. See, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, I've stopped it. Now it has stopped, and now I will click on reset. Okay, so like this you can make it. So friends, if you like my channel and my video, so please subscribe and like. So thank you. This is all for our today.